Hi, everybody. Today we're going to do lesson 7-11. I need a pen. Okay, and we are just going to do another day of factoring by grouping. So factor by grouping. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 together with you, and then I have 3 that you can do on your own. If you know how to do this, just copy down each of the questions that I do and do them on your own, and then play the video and see if you get them right. Okay? Otherwise, stick with me, and hopefully, if you weren't sure about this yesterday, you'll have a better feel for it today. All right, so first example. Let me get my pen right here. Well, it's almost right. It's 12m to the third power plus 2m squared minus 30m and then minus 5. Okay, so like yesterday, we decided that there's 4 terms here. Okay, and those 4 terms, there's no, you can't combine any like terms. So there's nothing we can do to make it 3 terms or 2 terms. So what we're going to do is cut it in half. So we're going to group the first 2 terms and the second 2 terms. Now we're going to do some GCF factoring. Okay, so here we grouped. Second, we're going to GCF each group. Okay, so in the first group here, we have a 12 and a 2. Well, 2 goes into 12 evenly, and it actually is the largest number that will go in, without a remainder. That's what it means to go in evenly. Okay, so 2m squared can come out because look at the m to the third. There's enough to take an m squared out, and 2 goes into 12 evenly also. So we're going to take the whole 2m squared out. And then what's going to happen is you have to divide by 2m squared everywhere in this group. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. M to the third divided by m squared is m to the first. 2m squared and 2m squared, well, 2m squared divided by 2m squared is a 1. Okay, so we need that placeholder 1. All right, second group. The second group, I have a negative in the front, so I know I'm going to take a negative out. The question is negative what? We can take a negative 5 out because negative 5 goes into negative 30 evenly. Okay, so we're going to take the negative 5 out, and what we have left is going to go in the parentheses. So let's do this. Negative 5 divided by negative 5. Okay, negative divided by a negative is positive. 30 divided by 5 is 6, and then bring the m along. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is actually positive 1, and look what you have here now. Okay, you have 6m plus 1 that can be factored out in each term. Whoa. Okay, 6m plus 1, 6m plus 1, and those go away. Oh, sorry, and we have to write it on the outs, we have to write it in one of the sets of parentheses on the bottom. Okay, so we have 6m plus 1, that is our first, our GCF there. What's left over is 2m squared minus 5. Okay, and that's your final answer. All right, so that's the first example. Okay, if you didn't get all of that written down, please pause, write it down. If you have any questions, come online at 11 o'clock and ask me some questions about this. Okay, next question is